a warm welcome to each and everyone, and it's an immense pleasure to see you all. And this is JN Group of Schools, Pulkote and Trichy, one of the best schools in Pulkote. You all know very well that we are facing many great difficulties in this corona pandemic period. We have devised methodologies for our students to learn their lessons without any hindrances from their home itself. And also now we are providing online classes and online tests through our own licensed platform, Google Meet. Also, we provide online videos from our prestigious online educator, Byju's. And those videos are completely free for students. As a next step to help our students who don't have advanced 4G mobile, we are providing recorded online videos. To watch those video classes, you may visit our YouTube channel, The Little Angel Jairani Meditation School, Pulkote. And all those videos will be updated in our YouTube channel itself. And these videos also will be sent to our students' WhatsApp group. And students, please watch those videos regularly and get its benefits. And also, if you have any doubts, you can clarify it on our online classes itself. And don't miss it, my dear students. And last but not the least, be safe, wash your hands regularly, maintain social distance and wear mask. Always have healthy food and drink more water. And dear viewers, soon we'll catch you in our next videos. Until then, this is JN Group of Schools signing off. Bye bye, see you and take care.
Nice day to you all. Here I am going to explain what is gravitation, and also the scientist, great scientist Newton, what he says about gravitation. Through his law, the law is inverse square law. Through this law, he explained what is gravitation and what will be the force between them, between the objects. What is the force? He explained very well. The inverse square law is also called Newton's universal law of gravitation. Newton's universal law of gravitation is also called inverse square law. He explained about what is the force, how we want to find out the force. He formulated a formula, how we want to find out the force and how it acts in that objects. He explained very well. Now we are going to see what is gravitation. It is nothing but gravitation is a force. Each and every particle attract each other in this universe. This is called gravitation, and in between the objects they have some forces to attract each other. That force is called gravitational force. And the Newton's explained through his law, Newton's universal law of gravitation. Now we are going to see what is Newton's universal law of gravitation. He explained the force is directly proportional to the product of the two masses. If we consider two product means the force is directly proportional to the product of the two masses of the product objects. Then the force, the same force is also inversely proportional or indirectly proportional to the distance, square root of distance in between the objects from the center of mass. Now we have to see how he explained by this following aspects. Now we are going to consider two objects. One is object A. We consider two objects. One is A and this have a mass m1. And then the another object, it is B. The object is B, the second object. It have a mass m2. Now we are consider two objects A and B. Then it have a masses m1 and m2 respectively. And from this first point, Newton explains in between the forces, in between the objects, it have a forces. That force is directly proportional to the product of their masses. That means m1 into m2. He explained the force is directly proportional to the product of the masses, that is m1 and m2. Then the second point he explained the force, the same force is indirectly proportional to the square value of the distance between the two objects from the center of mass. Here we have to take the distance from the center of mass. from the center of mass, we have to calculate the distance r. It is a distance r. We have to calculate from the center of the distance, not this distance. The second point, Newton says, the force is indirectly proportional to the square value of the distance between the objects from the center of mass. That means F is proportional to 1 by r squared. It is nothing but F is indirectly proportional to square value of distance. Okay. If we combine these two formulas, we can get a new form, that is F is proportional to m1 into m2 divided by r squared. Here it have a proportionality symbol. If you want to remove the symbol, we have to add one constant. Here we have to add one constant, that is F is equal to G into m1 into m2 by r squared. Here G is a universal gravitational constant. Here G is a constant, especially it is a universal gravitational constant. If you want to find out G means, you have to rearrange the elements and we get G is equal to F into r squared by m1 into m2. If you want to find out the constant, universal gravitational constant means you have to rearrange the elements from this above formula and we get the new one formula, G is equal to F into r squared by m1 into m2. But it is a constant G, it have a constant value. That value is, G have a value 6.674 into 10 to the power minus 11. This is a value for G, and also it have a units. From this above formula, we have to derive what is the units. Here F is a force and also the Newton is the unit of force. So you have to put and write here Newton, because from this above formula, here F is a Newton. So you have to put Newton, and also R, it is a distance. So you have to write meter squared. Then m1 and m2 are the masses of the object. So you have to write the units of mass is by kg squared, kilogram squared. So kilogram is nothing but the unit of masses m1 and m2. Then we have to get, it also write Newton meter squared kg power minus 2. So these two units are right. You can write Newton meter squared kg power minus 2 or Newton meter squared per kg squared. This is the unit of gravitational constant G. Then it have a constant value 6.674 into 10 to the power minus 11. This is a constant value. That means universal gravitational constant value and also a units. Thank you.